I make sure I give a big old shout out to my fiance Eric for helping me record this video.
Hi there, today we're going to be talking about this 2-pack MagSafe wireless charger pack. It makes wireless charging a breeze with this new upgraded magnetic technology, specifically for the iPhone 14, 13, and 12. This MagSafe wireless charger always charges your iPhone securely and safely. Has a built-in chip that helps protect it from overheating, overcharging, or causing any short circuits. Some great features about the MagSafe wireless charger is that it is small, lightweight, easy to carry, doesn't take up too much space. You know, you can just have it in your pocket or have it in your purse, and it's just great for travel. Also, what's great about this MagSafe wireless charger is that the USB also converts into a USB-C. You just take the top off, and there it goes that. Also, it does not come with an adapter. It also provides you with a fast and safe charging experience. It does charge your iPhone from 0 to 100% in 2 hours. And then the iPhone 14s, it does charge it up to 50% in just half an hour, which is about 3 times faster than the original charger it comes with. Also, another great feature about this MagSafe wireless charger is that the magnet is actually so powerful that you can still use your device, whether you just, on it, working, playing games, listening to music, whatever it is you're doing, you can still do it all while charging it because it's just that strong. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to charge it using both the USB and the USB-C. We'll go ahead and start with the USB. So I got plug in right here, so we'll just plug it into the USB. I'm going to go ahead and just put this on the back of my phone. And voila, you can see it says charging. And then we'll go ahead and do it with using the USB-C. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this off for now. And then again, you just kind of take the top off, and it's got the USB-C underneath, super cool. And then here, we'll switch it over to the USB-C side. And just plug it in right there. Again, it'll just light up green. That's how you know it's powered on, ready to go. And then once it attaches to the phone and turns blue, that's how you know it's actually charging the phone. You can see right there is actually charging it, and it stays blue. And again, it's super strong. You can just kind of watch videos, play games, whatever you want to do while it's charging. Super awesome.
I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you.